I've always had this fascination of birds. Honestly, don't know why. I first thought about raising canaries when I was in high school, and home in Park Ridge had a couple of canaries. Go off to the seminary in college, ordained in '79. And during my deacon year, right before ordination, a professional breeder introduced me to canaries again. But there's many different types of canaries. I like the Gloucester canaries. They've got some beetle haircuts. In fact, some of these canaries have more hair than I do. 7 days old. And there's Mama to the right, Papa to the left. When a baby canary is born, it's the size of my thumbnail. I love the song of the male canary. Females chirp, males sing. When I was breeding canaries 40 years ago, I had 4 eggs with a hen. The 4th egg started to open, but the baby could not break through out of the shell. So, Father Greg to the rescue. I took the egg, took a hot pin, sterilized it, and put a few holes, further cracks into the egg shell to help the baby. The canary broke free. However, that baby canary died 3 days after breaking through the eggshell. Why did the baby die? You didn't allow the baby canary to struggle with life itself. And by not allowing that canary to struggle with life itself, it wasn't strong enough to survive as a canary.